Coming to you straight from the heart of East Africa, Kenya. Welcome to Easy Legal Facts with me, Paula Mecha, an upcoming content creator with a legal and hospitality management background. This is where we crunch up important and complex legal matters just for you. Stay tuned. The first thing that you need to be awake to is when you go back to history. I know Kenyans were colonized by the British, so we have like a sort of, we follow the common law. But if you go back to the American founding fathers, when they were coming up with the impeachment law and coming up with the first sorry, there's so many mosquitoes outside and it's at night, so they attract us in light, so guys don't mind. The American founding fathers, when coming up with this law, were trying to get rid of monarchy. When I say monarchy, I mean absolute power. Like a king has absolute power, and whatever he decides, that's what becomes, yeah? So they're trying to create a system where the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary would check each other. So basically, the impeachment law is just to ensure that there's no one person or no two people or no five people who have absolute power, to give power to the citizens through the National Assembly and the Senate. Yeah, I hope you're kwa mind. I hope you got it. The second thing that you need to know about impeachment is that it's a beginning process, it's a starting process towards persecution. Because once you're impeached and the charges brought before you in front of the National Assembly and the Senate can be used against you in a court of law. Meaning, if you're impeached, then the state might go ahead and charge you further in a court of law, especially when it comes to criminal matters. So, ni mwanzo tu is just the beginning of a person's destruction. As much as it looks like a simple process, it's something that might make or break a person or a country, yeah? The third thing that you need to know about the impeachment process is that who has the actual power when it comes to impeachment. Article 1 of the Kenyan Constitution grants the Mwananchi power. The Mwananchi then grants this power to an MP, a member of parliament, or a senator who they elect through the electoral process. So basically, the power is with the Mwananchi, but they pass it on to the MP who is in the National Assembly and to the senator who is in the Senate. And these are the people who hold the power. And that's why it's good to know who you're voting for. Is it someone who will have your interest, or is it someone who will just be playing politics, yeah? So keep that in mind. The other important thing that you need to know about impeachment is that it's a game of numbers. When they say 2/3 of the National Assembly or they say 2/3 of the Senate, it's a game of numbers. So in a way, as much as the law is protecting the citizen, also it's protecting the politician. So as much as the founding fathers came up with this law to protect your rights, also they came up with this law to avoid malice or bad politics. Because maybe if someone doesn't want you, they might come against you. So with the game of numbers, if you are a smart politician and you have the numbers, then well and good, nobody is ever going to impeach you. But if you don't have the numbers and the numbers are against you, then unfortunately that also plays a really big part in this. But the trick is, when it comes to numbers, is once the charges brought against you have been proved, considering the fact that everybody is entitled to the right to a fair trial. So even as the president or the deputy president are coming in front of a committee, they also have a right to representation and have a right to fair trial. So if you're bringing these charges against them to impeach them, then you have to have your evidence right, your facts right, everything has to be right. Because if it's not right, even if you have the numbers, then it will be a bit tricky. And that's where the law balances itself out. Yeah, if you have the numbers, you can impeach someone. But then also, if the charges are not proved, it becomes, you understand? So I hope all this information has been helpful to you guys. Stay woke. Peace, love, and light from me. I'm sorry today I had to shoot at night. Sometimes life gets busy, especially with the kids, and life just gets busy. Whether you have kids or not, it gets busy. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Make sure you subscribe, a thumbs up for me to know that this information is helping you. Give me a comment on anything or any topic you'd like me to talk about or you'd like me to expound on. And of course, my work is to simplify the law for you, make it very easy, chewable, even a kid can understand. Stay tuned. Also check out my Instagram and Easy Legal Facts Facebook coming soon. Bye. Thank you.